Hello, welcome to my channel once again. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how this dashboard was developed. So actually, this is a sample that we did during our data analysis class. And I just want to walk us through. So actually, we had this data set, which is a sales data set, and all the necessary pre-processing was done. So you can see we have the products, the color, category, subcategory, wholesale costs, items purchased, purchase cost, shipping cost, total cost, retail price, items sold, revenue, profit, and also price category. So basically, our task was to do a revenue and profit analysis on the data set. So we started by creating the various KPIs. So we did a total cost analysis. Then we also did a total revenue analysis. Then we looked at the average costs, the average revenue, maximum costs, maximum revenue, minimum cost, and also minimum revenue. Then we looked at the total profits and also the profit margin. So this is what we got for the profit margin. Then we used, so all these KPIs were put on cards. So we use cards to do the KPI. So mostly cards are used for creating KPIs. Then we use the text box to create the title. So it's sales analysis, revenue, and profit. Then we use this column chart to create the sum of revenue versus profit. So basically, the blue ones are the profits, and these ones are the sum or the total revenue. So you can see the revenue and profit for each product. So at least the company is able to know the sales of each product against the profit that was obtained. And this is just the top 5 products. So top 5 products means top 5 products that sold high. Okay, then below we have the revenue versus profit by category. So you see the products are categorized into bikes, components, clothing, and accessories. So this chart also gives the distribution of revenue and profit for each category. Then we also looked at the distribution of revenue versus profit for top 5 subcategories. So this is what we also got for that. Then we did a part 2 of the analysis, which was done on the product quantity. So at least this will help the company to know how each product was faring. So we did KPIs as well using cards. So this is the total units sold, the average units sold, maximum units sold, and minimum units sold. Then we also created a column chart for items, top 5 items. So these are the top 5 items that had the highest sales in terms of quantities. Then we looked at revenue versus profits. No, this is supposed to be the count of top 5 products. So I just have to change the heading. So this will be, let me change the heading here. So this will be count of products So this will be count of products by top 5 subcategories. Okay. Then we also did units sold by category. So we could see that components had the highest units sold. So basically, this is just a brief. Yeah, then we also did some, slices whereby managers or executives can use to, filter the records. So we did filter by category. So if they want to analyze sales on bike, they can just filter by only bikes. Then we also did filter by color. So you can filter by only the colors. Then we did filter by category. But let me clear the other filters to be able to see the different categories that we have. So we can also filter by the different subcategories as well as the products. Okay, so this is a dynamic dashboard created with Power BI whereby management can use to, find insights of revenue and profits as well as the units or quantities of products sold. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in our next class.